Exploring different types of ceramic coating. Ceramic coating has become increasingly popular among car enthusiasts and owners who want to protect their vehicles and maintain their appearance. However, with the plethora of options available on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right type of ceramic coating for your needs. Nano-ceramic coatings. Nano-ceramic coatings are one of the most common types of ceramic coatings used today. They are made up of tiny nanoparticles that bond with the surface of your vehicle, creating a protective layer that repels water, dirt, and other contaminants. Nano-ceramic coatings offer excellent durability and can last anywhere from 1 to 5 years with proper maintenance. They provide superior gloss and shine, enhancing the appearance of your vehicle. Quartz ceramic coatings. Quartz ceramic coatings, also known as silicon oxide coatings, contain a high concentration of silicon dioxide particles. These coatings provide exceptional hardness and resistance to scratches and abrasions. Quartz ceramic coatings offer similar benefits to nano-ceramic coatings, including hydrophobic properties and long-lasting protection. They are an excellent choice for those looking for maximum durability and protection against environmental damage. Hybrid ceramic coatings. Hybrid ceramic coatings combine the benefits of nano and quartz ceramic coatings into one product. They typically contain a blend of nanoparticles and silicon dioxide particles, offering enhanced durability and performance. Hybrid ceramic coatings provide excellent water repellency, gloss enhancement, and scratch resistance. They are a versatile option suitable for a wide range of vehicles and applications. Professional-grade ceramic coatings. Professional-grade ceramic coatings are typically applied by trained professionals and offer the highest level of protection and performance. These coatings often require specialized equipment and expertise to apply correctly. Professional-grade ceramic coatings can last up to 5 years or more and provide superior resistance to scratches, UV damage, and chemical stains. They are ideal for car enthusiasts and owners who want the best possible protection for their vehicles. When selecting a ceramic coating for your vehicle, consider factors such as your budget, desired level of protection, and maintenance preferences. If you're looking for long-lasting durability and maximum protection, a professional-grade ceramic coating may be the best option. However, if you're on a budget or prefer to apply the coating yourself, a nano or hybrid ceramic coating may be more suitable. With various types of ceramic coatings available, it's essential to choose the right one for your specific needs and preferences. Whether you opt for a nano, quartz, hybrid, or professional-grade ceramic coating, you can enjoy the benefits of enhanced protection, gloss, and longevity for your vehicle's finish. Evaluate your options carefully and select the ceramic coating that best suits your requirements for a showroom-worthy shine that lasts.